The girlies have been asking for a tutorial and it's finally here. I'm not sure what's in the water, but you guys just seem to love this hair. It's also my favorite natural hairstyle at the moment, and I would say it's the most versatile. But what do you guys think? Anyway, it's been a highly requested video, so let's get into this tutorial where I share with you how I style my mini twist in different ways and how I refresh it. Hola. Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. This is Tinuola. If you're just seeing this hot chocolate for the first time, let's get started with our hair refresh. So first, I like to wash my hair about once in 2 weeks or more, depending on how much time I spend in the pool. So I swim every week and I use a swimming shampoo to first get out the chlorine out of my hair. It's the swimming season for most people, so this is good practice for your hair because chlorine can dry out your scalp and make your hair appear dull. So I go in next with a cold wash shampoo because I have a dry scalp and it's scaly sometimes. So this cold wash shampoo helps my hair stay moisturized and soothing my scalp. And then the next thing I do after washing my hair is to go in with a conditioner and I just let it sit in and rinse it out later on. The next step is to refresh our twist. As you can see, this looks pretty old. Yes, I've had it for almost 6 weeks now, which I would say is pretty long. Please don't have your mini twist in for about 2 months. It's good to refresh it or take it down after 6 weeks. You can refresh it about 2 to 3 weeks. And I like to do mostly the front section and the middle part. If you leave this hair in for too long, if you leave your mini twist in for too long, it's gonna mat, break, and you'll lose a lot of hair. So this is important. I'm gonna leave the back alone because, yeah, I'm just gonna do the front section and I'm taking this hair out very soon. I'll do the mini twist off camera because I have a detailed tutorial coming up soon on that, so stay subscribed. Now let's get into the fun part, which is styling. As you guys can see, the hair looks much newer. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this aloe vera spritz. It's DIY. I think I've shared the recipe before in my previous video, so you guys can check that out. I keep it simple. I love to style my hair when it's wet, so either I use water or I use this spritz, which I use every day. And it's made up of some ingredients like aloe vera juice, tea tree oil, emphasis on authentic because if you're using tea tree oil, essential oil from Temu, just know it's fake. Just know it's fake. So please get from reputable brand. I also use shea butter because my hair loves butter. I use some oils. And that's it. That's all for keeping it moisturized. And we need it to be moisturized before styling. I focus a lot on my scalp because scalp health is so important. So yeah, I put a lot of products on my scalp because my scalp is usually dry. Now with styling this hair, you don't need these two products I'm about to show you, but if you want to use it, it's fine. I'm not judging you because I use it too. So you can add gel or grease to your hair. Gel to help it hold in place well, depending on the style you're going for, and grease because it adds shine to the hair and my scalp actually likes grease. So the first hairstyle is ponytail. As you guys can see, you can add some accessories to it just to uplift that style. And you can also leave some hair out in front. And for the second hairstyle, we are going with a half up, half down look, but with a swoop. Okay. So if you want this hairstyle to stay in place, especially if you're going out, let's say you're going on a run, make sure you use bobby pin. But if not, you can just put the swoop behind your ear and you're good. That's simple. Every style I'm going to be showing you guys here is ridiculously easy. I want to show you guys how easy it is to style mini twist, and it's lightweight. That's why I say it's my favorite hair. It's minimal effort. Yeah. Even when mini twist looks old, it still looks good. And I don't know if you guys can notice, but my eyes looks pretty red because I'm filming this video at 2 a.m. for you. I know. Labor of love. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So I love this clip. Is it claw clip they call it? I love this style because it looks so professional. And I also noticed that some hair in the back of my head are yet to be retwisted. So I'm just going to use a bobby pin to hold it down. I typically don't pack my hair up like this, but if that's your vibe, please make sure your hair at the back looks good. Anyway, we're moving to my favorite hairstyle. This is how I mostly pack or mostly style this hair, which is center part. And I'm going to show you guys why I love this. By the way, all the hairstyles I'm showing you guys here took me less than 1 hour to film. It's that easy, that quick. For center parts, I like to keep it really moisturized, especially the ends of the hair. I like to keep it moisturized because what I do is that I squish, I squeeze the hair and it forms into a bulb like so. You guys see how easy that is? Okay. There's no gel in my hair. There's no coiling wand, no heat, nothing. Okay, so it's just one of my favorite ways to style this hair. And I'm gonna tell you guys this. Please, if you're a perfectionist, make sure you put in a little bit more effort because I'm not a perfectionist when it comes to my hair. I actually like my mini twist looking a little bit messy. It's just the vibe, but whatever your vibe is, go with it. And when it comes to styling your hair, like putting it to one side, like I'm doing right now, I'm doing a side part. Ladies know their angles, so go with your angle. If you actually believe that's a thing, go with your angle. You can also put some hair at the back of your ear, and yeah, that's it. Let me know what your favorite hairstyle is, and we are not done yet. We still have some hairstyles to unpack. I love natural hair and natural hairstyles in general because trust me, our hair is so beautiful. It can easily mold into different forms and you don't actually need to do too much with your hair to embrace it, to love it. This mini twist is just one of those hairstyles right now that I'm really loving. I think I'm in my short hair era and it just works for me based on my schedule. It's super easy, lightweight like I said, and yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that your natural hair, even when it's in its short stage, awkward stage, it doesn't have to be daunting. It can be fun, you can enjoy it. Yes, you can add some length to your hair with some braiding hair. It's okay. This channel is about promoting us embracing our natural features. So yeah, embrace the curls, the kinks, embrace it all. So I also like this particular style where I just pack it into like a bulb and it will give this swoop look. I don't know how to explain this, but I hope you guys see what I'm saying. Use scarves, use accessories. If you have scarves, accessories, feel free to use them to brighten the hair, to just add to the beauty, to add to the vibe. Speaking of vibe, if you're enjoying this video so far and you haven't subscribed, please do. Like, what are you waiting for? Okay, please do. Join the community. I now have a membership where I'm going to be doing some exclusive content. So please join the membership if you're interested in that. No pressure. And if you have a lot more colors than I do, please experiment with colorful scarves. Anyway, that's the video. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know your favorite style and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Check out my previous video on awkward lengths and styling short hair, and I'll see you guys in the next one. In the meantime, keep shining. Bye.